Yeah, guys, these are nice. That one was locked. I just came out of that one. See, those right there, that sort of kind of when I was looking at Quest. This was only 134. They should put the year on them. Ooh, look at this one. I bet that this one is a lot. I bet this is a lot. 139. No, only 139. This one is 149. Nice. That one look different. They only have a price. Let's go in there. I like the way it come out right there. This one, ooh, this one come out really big. That one probably really big. Let's see it. Oh. Ooh. Oh my God, I want to cry. I want to cry, guys. Push the like, guy. Y'all want to see this one. Burning. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God, guys. OMG. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. This looks new. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. That big old Whirlpool microwave. Oh my God. Look at this. Guys. Oh my God, guys. OMG. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. This looks just like a house. Look at over here. Closet space. Oh my God, guys, a washer and dryer. OMG. Look at this. A washer and dryer. Wow, we would need this. I didn't even think about that. Oh my God. I know this ain't no 2 bathroom. Oh my God, let's see. What's here? What's in here, guys? What are you guys thinking here? Put in the comment down below what you think in here. Let's see. Oh my God, guys, it's got 2 bathrooms. OMG. And no light. No light. Oh my God, guys, it's got 2 bathrooms. Look at this. Well, this one don't have no shower. This is just a toilet. Wow, guys, look at this. Oh my God. Look at the refrigerator. OMG. Wow, guys, look. We already, that's a wash and dry. Oh my God, guys, this is a California king bed. Look how big that bed is. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Wow. Look at that. Oh my God. This is so big. Guys, look at this. Oh my God, guys. Look at this bathroom. OMG. Look at the sink. Look at the cabinet. Wow. The toilet. And look at this. Oh my God. Look how big this is. This is so big. Wow. This is big. Oh my God. This is so big, guys. Chair. Table. This is nice. Oh my God, this is really nice. This is really nice, guys. The TV. What year is this? TV. Wow, guys, it's so nice. Wow. Okay, guys, next.